Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a must-have accessory for your new OnePlus 11R 5G, a high-quality protective phone case. This case isn't just about protection. It's packed with features designed to make your life easier. Features of the OnePlus 11R 5G phone case. Complete 360-degree protection. This isn't your average case. Its sturdy, rugged construction gives your phone all-around protection from drops and bumps. It also features raised edges on both the front and back to keep your screen and camera lenses safe from scratches when placed on flat surfaces. Built-in ring holder. The innovative ring holder provides a secure and comfortable grip, helping you to avoid accidental drops. It's fully adjustable, so you can find the perfect angle for holding your phone with one hand. Hands-free viewing. The ring holder also doubles as a convenient kickstand. Now you can easily prop up your phone to watch videos or movies without having to hold it, giving you a completely hands-free viewing experience. Magnetic car mount ready. This case has a high-density metal plate built right into it. This means it's instantly compatible with your magnetic car holder, so you can easily and securely mount your phone in your vehicle. Today, we're taking a look at an essential accessory for your phone, the screen protector. But this isn't just any screen protector. It's designed to give you the best of both worlds, crystal clear protection and easy installation. Let's dive into the features that make this screen protector a must-have. Key features of this screen protector: crystal clear HD view. This protector is made with high-definition clarity and 100% transparency. It also has a special oliphobic, anti-smudge coating that keeps fingerprints and smudges at bay. This means you'll maintain your phone's original HD viewing experience and enjoy a smooth, high-sensitivity touch response. Perfect fit and feel, designed with rounded edges. This protector provides a flawless, seamless fit on your phone's flat screen. It feels smooth to the touch and integrates perfectly with your device. Unbreakable and long-lasting. Unlike traditional glass protectors that can shatter easily, this one is unbreakable. Its durable design makes it much safer and gives your phone's screen long-lasting protection. It's also easy to remove and replace whenever you need to. Simple DIY installation. You don't need to be an expert to install this. The sleek adhesive layer goes on quickly and cleanly. And the package includes simple, clear instructions. You can perfectly install it yourself without needing help from anyone else. Thanks for watching. If you found this video